Kuhlonitshwa indima elinywa bomma. Pheze eminyaka ema-70 abomma beSouth Africa babambana nombuso webandlululo kwatshisa phasi. Babethi nyawo phasi bathi angeke bamvumela uRhulumende webandlululo akhahlumeza abomma. Sikhuluma nje seyiminyaka ema-65 nahlanu kodwa indima yabo isabonakala begodu bayahlonitshwa. Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa ubawe lokho ilutsha ukuthi landela indlela yelutsha lango-1956.
Just as the women of 1956 who fought against the injustices of their time, the women of today are engaged in a new struggle. It is a struggle for equal rights, dignity, economic liberation, and freedom from violence.
Ngombana inarha yeqaye nomraro wengogwana engimabhubhisa omunye umraro kuba kukhahlumezana ngokobulili kanti umengameli uthi abomma kufuze kube ngibo abajama ngaphambili ekulwisaneni nezenzo zokukhahlumezana ngokobulili.
Together, by refusing to submit, we will achieve true gender equality in our lifetime.
Akuselilanga elithwaye ukuhlonipha kwenkulungwana zabomma abamatsha ngonyaka ka-1965 zimatshela indima nomhlako wabomma benarha le kwaphela kodwana ngaphandle kwalokho libuya libe lilanga lokukhumbula izenzo zokukhahlumezana ngokobulili ezithinta khulu inarha le.
We will ratify the International Labour Organization's Convention 190, which addresses sexual harassment and violence in the workplace. Earlier this year, we launched the first phase of the innovative GBVF Private Sector Response Fund.
Umengameli usebenza ngamandla uqinisekisa ukuthi i-40% yemali zombuso ichinga amabhizinisi naphethwe bomma begodu ubawe nomkhakha wangeqadi ukuthi usize ekuthuthukiseni nekukhuphuleni amabhizinisi aphethwe bomma.
Call on businesses, donors, philanthropists, and individuals to contribute to the fund's work.
Phosa umemezele ukuthi inyanga le kuzokwethula ngokusemthethweni isikhwama esizokusiza amabhizinisi aphethwe bomma.